Hello everyone and welcome to Rajput Jain and Associates. Today in this video we'll discuss about the difference between one-person company and limited liability partnership. Now first of all, it is important to know the meaning of OPC and LLP. So let us begin with what is an OPC and LLP. OPC or the one-person company is a company which can be constituted with only one person. In India, only a natural person who is a citizen and resident in India is eligible to form an OPC. However, apart from single member, another person is required to be named as the nominee in the OPC. On the other hand, LLP is a partnership firm that is combined with the benefit of limited liability along with some other benefits that are generally available to the company. So now we come to the difference between OPC and LLP. First is on the basis of governing law. One-person company is governed by Companies Act 2013 while LLP is governed by Limited Liability Partnership Act 2018. Next is on the basis of incorporation document. The incorporation document required for OPC are Memorandum of Association and Article of Association, whereas the incorporation document required for LLP is LLP agreement. Then on the basis of persons required for incorporation. In OPC, only one person required as member and one person as nominee of OPC. However, in LLP, minimum of 2 partners are required. Next one is on the basis of audit of accounts. An OPC is required to maintain proper books of accounts and the audit of accounts is mandatory. However, in case of LLP, accounts are subject to audited where the turnover exceeds rupees 40 lakhs or contribution exceeds rupees 25 lakhs in a particular financial year. Another basis is liability of members. In OPC, the members have liability limited to their capital, whereas in LLP, the liability of partners are limited to their respective capital contribution. Next one is due date for filing of annual return. An OPC is required to file their financials and annual returns within 180 days from the date of closure of the relevant financial year, while in LLP, filing of annual return shall be made within 60 days from the close of relevant financial year. The next one is number of directors. There must be minimum 1 and maximum 15 directors in an OPC, while in LLP, a minimum of 2 designated partners are required. Last one is on the basis of DIN requirement. In an OPC, all the directors are required to obtain director identification number before being appointed as director. However, in case of LLP, both the designated partners are required to obtain designated partner identification number before appointing as the partners of LLP. So this was all about the main difference between OPC and LLP. In case you need to know more about this, contact Rajput Jain and Associates. You can also visit our website www.carajput.com. Thank you.